I know one of the common terms in the natural hair community is embracing shrinkage, which simply means embracing our originality. But when the shrinkage no gree embrace us, wetin una go do? You have to stretch. In this video, I'll be showing you a budget-friendly method you can use to stretch your hair. Please watch till the end because there's an information for you all if you click on this video. One of the major reasons African people dread wash day is because of shrinkage. But trust me, you don't have to have a fancy gadget before you can stretch your hair. Some of the budget-friendly things we need to achieve these are some ties, a detangling brush or a wide tooth comb, some hair clips, and a rat tail comb. Depending on how stretchy you want your hair to, will determine the number of sections you band your hair. But for easy work organization, I'll be dividing my hair into two equal halves. One at the right, one at the left. The pattern don't have to be straight. You can do a free hand job, but because of the aesthetic of this video, I'll be making it straight. Ooh, can you see that big knot? That's one of the challenges when you have a long natural hair. Hair tends to knot up at every damn given opportunity. So after the hair has been divided into two equal halves, each half will be subdivided into small sections too. I hope that makes sense. So I'll be clipping one of these sections away and work with one section at a time. I'll start the subsection from the back and work my way to the front. One of the major things you want to keep in hand when stretching your hair is your spray bottle, because you can't afford to work with dry hair, and hair must be properly detangled to ensure flat roots or stretchy roots. In this video, my leave-in conditioner will be my moisture because it's water-based. So after applying it and making sure the hair is properly detangled, I'll be banding it at the root very tight, but not too tight to cause headache. After banding, you can detangle it again to make sure that the hair is smooth, and I'm going to divide it into 3 equal sections and braid. The total number of braids I have in this section was 6, which simply means the hair was banded into 12 sections. You can do more, you can do less depending on your preference. I'll be repeating the same process throughout the entire section, which means dividing into subsections, apply leave-in conditioner, detangle, band and braid. Wait though, have I even introduced myself? Hey love, thanks for clicking on this video. I'm Fatokusilokwe by name, a registered nurse, a natural hair enthusiast, and also a self-development advocate. If this is your first time watching me, thank you for clicking on the video. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and leave me a nice comment in the comment section. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. Have you subscribed? Those of you that have been watching my video and not subscribed, please ensure you do that so that you can get a lot of my video anytime I post. Quick question, are you team blow dryer, or you are team natural stretching method, or you are team all stretch na stretch? Let me know in the comment section below. Big announcement, if you are a new subscriber and you love my content, let me know in the comment section below so I can give you a big shout out in my next video. Hair almost done and have to go. Face is already facing, hair is already hairing, and I'm loving it. Now to go take a movie role from Igbo culture remain.
2,000 years later.
Yeah, I'm done. I'm going to allow it to air dry. This is 24 hours after putting this hair in braids. So I'll be taking it down now. It's fully dry. Finally done. This is what we are currently having. My hair is dark and shiny. So can tell my hair is fully stretched. Like, let me show you what the back is looking like. If you've watched me to this point, thank you, and thank you so much. You are the real MVP. And don't forget to join the family by hitting the subscribe button. Also, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this stretching method. See you in my next video. God bless you.